So what are you making today, babe?
Roasted cauliflower.
Mmm.
I don't like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. We're gonna mount it up. We're in a temperature switch. How do you keep wiping the Jeep?
Guys, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Okay, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
And now balsamic. If you've been watching my roasted stuff, you will know I use a lot of balsamic. Get some. It's great stuff.
What flavor does the balsamic add?
Sweet, a little bit tart, but with the salt and pepper and all that and the garlic, it's really yummy. Okay, and salt.
How do you know how much pepper to add with like a pepper grinder?
Because when you've been cooking as long as I have, you know what a teaspoon looks like when it's sprinkled. When you take a teaspoon, like one of these, and you put like pepper in it or whatever, and you like sprinkle it over your food, this is what it would look like. Just from cooking. It's just something you know. But it's about a teaspoon. I mean, you can grind that up into a teaspoon if you want, but I just do it this way. Okay, now we're gonna mix it up.
So why do you mix with your hands versus throwing it in a bowl?
I would not throw these delicate pieces in a bowl and start shaking it. They'll come to a part and they'll look like little mushies. You can do it with potatoes. I do it with potatoes and carrots, raw carrots.
And chicken?
Chicken. Not vegetables like this. Eating broccoli, no, don't do that. Because they'll start breaking up. So you have to be gentle with them and just mix them up with your hands.
Is the pan important for these types of vegetables?
Well, I do it on a baking sheet because that's what most people have is a baking sheet. You can do it really in any kind of pan, but I wouldn't recommend anything that was like a roaster pan that comes with your oven. I wouldn't recommend that because it sticks. Not any non-stick pan will work with this. Non-stick. That's the key. Non-stick.
So a cast iron skillet wouldn't work.
Not unless you're trying to fry them. Like fried cauliflower. I mean, that could be good, but that's not what we're doing. Okay. And marinate them for about 15, 20 minutes, something like that. Gotta get all the juices in them.
With balsamic, could you over marinate?
You could, not really. You can't really over marinate them, but the more they marinate with these kind of vegetables, they just get more soggier. So you're gonna have to cook them.
So they marinated for
5 minutes.
Ooh, that was a lot of fog.
Ta-da! Roasted cauliflower. Yum-o.
Y'all stay tuned.
Do you want them in the oven, or are we gonna have raw? I'm sure they're still good, but do you want them cooked? Do you want them roasted?
I would like them roasted, yes.
Okay, so we're gonna do this, right?
We're gonna do this.
Alright. Wasn't it Valentine's Day?
It is.
Why do I still have these?
Your husband's cheap.
No, it's not that. It's just that we're lazy.
There it goes. Let's see what that looks like.
No, we're lazy. We're too lazy to actually go buy them. I don't know. You need to start doing that. That's a heavy soap.
Y'all guys gotta get one of them aprons. Protects your pretty clothes.
Well, they're pretty adjustable, and they're pretty comfortable, and they don't wrinkle up and all that kind of stuff. So yeah.
We tried some that did wrinkle up.
Yeah. Those didn't